Okay, here's my third video. It's going to be the startup of my 79 Corvette L48 motor. You'll probably see in the video my tire radiator support, but hey, you got to do what you got to do. So let's see if we can get this fired up. You'll have to work with me. My starter's a little bit weak on this. I'll have to get that changed out. Let's see what she'll do. There we go. It's a runner. Still smoking because of the paint, but it runs pretty good. I just want to thank the guys over at Jex Performance, Advanced Auto here in Niles, along with AutoZone and all the performance sellers on eBay for getting me where we're at today. So on my next video, I will have the motor in the car and I'll take you for a test drive. Until then, we'll see you later. Bye.